Today's tech and product update focuses on the first quarter of 2023 and builds upon the latest Pi Day announcements, where we discussed what the core team and all pioneers can do to help progress Pi network towards open mainnet. To recap and reiterate, we're emphasizing the need to contribute our efforts together during the enclosed network phase to accomplish these two main goals. Mass verification of millions of pioneers' identity via a native, scalable KYC solution, followed by the migration of their mobile mining balance to the Pi mainnet, creation of real utilities for the Pi cryptocurrency through the Pi ecosystem. Remember, meeting these goals can only happen when all participants, the core team, community developers, and pioneers make their own respective efforts to prepare the network for its maturity and readiness for the open network period. As always, this tech and product update focuses on what the core team has been working on and the features and work items that are relevant and interesting to pioneers. This may omit Pi Network's innumerable efforts and deployments related to miscellaneous interface revisions, backend, scalability, community success, and bug fixes. Pi Network has put in significant efforts to advance app development resources and the Pi ecosystem, which together facilitate the use and building of real utilities for the Pi community. In short, we want pioneers to experience a built-out Pi ecosystem integrated with Pi cryptocurrency that both Pi app developers and pioneers can benefit from. More apps means more use cases and utilities, creation opportunities for everyone on the network. These efforts are defined by the two criteria below and work in conjunction with one another. Building ecosystem infrastructure and Pi developer features and resources to bootstrap and facilitate utilities creation and Pi apps building for Pi's community of over 45 million engaged pioneers. Cultivating Pi apps and utilities through various programs that incentivize development, such as the most recent Q1 2023 hackathon, Pi community outreach, external business development, and internal core team-created apps. Here are a few features we've worked on and deployed. Testnet ecosystem. The new interface to engage with testnet apps in the Pi browser provides pioneers with a preview of how the mainnet ecosystem might look, a central hub of selected apps/utilities with mainnet apps criteria. With Testnet ecosystem, pioneers can explore the Pi apps, including some hackathon apps, in the Pi ecosystem and support the developers' efforts by interacting with their apps. Community developers can give pioneers exposure to their Pi apps to test and iterate to build full-fledged apps. These in-development apps are allowed in the Testnet ecosystem by minimum initial criteria to maximize open collaboration and visibility in community utilities. Building pioneers should use them at their own discretion with the expectation that they are still under development. Read the Pi Day announcement to learn more about the Testnet ecosystem.